watch out. Oh, no.
Yep, I lost it in the trees. It's up yonder.
Somewhere up there.
Is that what you done last time?
No. We got a nice little. Get out of the from there.
Not bad, not bad. Other than mine. Lay it up there, Jake. Somewhere up there.
Wow.
I said up there, not down there.
Wow.
Hey, after. Okay. He ripped it. Oh! Oh! I thought it was thin. Don't pick that disc up. I about fell.
Oh.
All right.
Sorry.
Jake the meat. And no trees.
It cut too much. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that was a good tree.
Billy the Slayer. He slayed the tree. Well, it's like going where I do. That wizard for me. I didn't mean about push you down. Why do we want to go that way for?
I'm throwing another one.
Ooh, rejected by the tree. Ooh. Oh, hit that same darn tree.
Alright, I'm heading out. I gotta go to work. So.
Came back to you, Jake.
That's my partner.
Same tree.
I think she passed you by a foot.
Yeah, not by much.
You gonna hit the same tree, Jake?
Put these in the fairway.
Yep.
You're supposed to say that's my partner.
Well, he hit a tree like I'm gonna hit a tree.
I didn't claim it.
Where's the basket? Around the corner?
Yeah.
Which way's the Anheuser? This way or this way? This way? Everybody hit tree. There's my partner. Yeah. Last time you threw sidearm, you threw your ribs out. He did.
He fractured a rib, remember? Yeah, we don't throw him from that.
Yep. That was nice. That was nice. Same spot. Nice. Nice. Oh, did you see it kiss that tree? Mm-hmm. That was, I don't know if I... You almost put the dick on. Nice. Ooh, hit the tree. Ooh. Too far. Way too far. That it? Oh, that was almost it. That'll work. That'll work. Moving on. Oh, that was nice. Trees.
Oh, la la la.
That's all I hit anymore is trees. I need to step down like this and keep it moving.
Yeah. You want me to go first, Jake? See where mine goes? Or are you going to throw regular?
I ain't gonna throw regular. I'm gonna try to throw low.
Okay, throw low. Get on your knees. And phew.
I know guys who jump throw with.
Planko.
He uses glide.
Oh, let's see. Let's hope it gets down there.
So from there to here's 98 feet. Or 92 feet.
Boy, Billy, that done that backwards. I knew it wasn't going to be crap. Woo! I love it. All right, Jake, slider. Really? Oh, he hit a tree. That'd have been good if he wouldn't hit that tree, wouldn't it?
He flipped over. Yeah, it went good. This putt right there.
Got to be professional. Oh, that was
A
nice.
little bit higher than me.
I'm gonna use yours.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Up on roof.
Just slide her down there.
I said, I ain't gonna run it.
Oh,
Uh-oh. It's gone.
That's exactly right.
there you go. No,
I don't have a thing. Yeah, you just get a mini in front of it.
I got a mini down there. That's how you lay up.
Yeah.
And there it goes.
There we go.
Oh my gosh, it just keeps going.
I didn't want that to happen. Oh my gosh, that was my streamline.
We'll get it. Hopefully. Might have to take a break to get it.
At least yours hit it.
At least it didn't slide.
Hey! Okay.
That didn't count.
I was like, that's my roads, don't you dare! I just got that one. I'm not. No.
I'll grab yours one down here.
Who, mine?
Happy ends.
So don't do that.
That's nice. In the creek.
Water's gonna be up there too.
Figure it out whenever.
Stay away from the water.
When I stand this way, instead of cocking my legs,
Where did that go?
leave my feet straight and turn my body, I end up doing better.
Yeah, but don't like come
Because I know
across.
you, he says pull it out and then twist, that way you can pull straight with your arms.
Yeah, you won't.
That'll work. That's good. This is your fascinating putts.
Hit me, Jake. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. And good job, Billy.
Over the brush. That was pretty good.
Beautiful, Jake.
It's up yonder somewhere.
Oh, shit.
Hey, come back.
Right over there with mine.
Yep. Don't hit the tree.
That was about stupid.
Mm-hmm. He about fell. That went way.
Right back down that hill. Like making that waffle.
Just tap it in. Moving it. Woo!
That may be.
There you go, Jake. That's looking good. Oh.
Are you serious?
Really?
You get the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Good shot.
That was a good shot.
Oh, where's you sending that thing, Jake?
I held on to it way too long.
I know. Hey, but it's in bounds.
Thought that was in. I won't record those. We'll just go have some fun on those.
Good shot.
Yep.
Good shot, Jake.
Good layup.
A little far.
Here you go.
Throw it in for par. Where are you sending that thing, Jake? It didn't come back.
Yeah, it's on the corner.
Ooh.
Oh my God, that's gone. And after everybody else.
Good thing there was no car coming.
I just looked out of my hand.
A long putt. There you go.
Good shot.
Let me see if I can hand it out there without grip locking it again.
Works for me. Oh gosh, that was so close.